So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see how to program Roger Xfinity TV remote pairing codes and fix remote not working. So how to pair Roger's Xfinity remote to TV box. XR11 remote. Turn on your TV plus Roger's Xfinity box. Press and hold setup until the light turns green. Press the Xfinity Roger button. A 3-digit code will appear on your TV screen. Enter the code using the remote. Follow on-screen setup. Finish pairing. XR15 remote. Press and hold A plus D button together about 5 seconds. Wait until LED turns green. Enter the 3-digit code shown on TV. Follow prompt to setup finish. XR100 remote. Press the mic button. Follow on-screen instruction to connect. Or go to setting, connected device, remote. Then hold 1 plus 3 button for 3 seconds. Follow setup on TV. Second one is how to program remote to control TV. After pairing to the box, method 1 is press A button. Go to remote setup, follow on-screen instruction, select your TV brand. Method 2 is manual code search. Turn on TV, hold setup, A plus D XR15 button until LED turns green. Enter 991, then press CH plus repeatedly until TV turns off. Press OK or select to save. Third one is fix Roger Xfinity remote not working. Step 1. Check batteries. Replace with two fresh AA batteries. If LED doesn't light, batteries are the issue. If LED blink red 5 times, batteries are very low. Step 2 is repair the remote. Hold setup or A plus D until LED turns green. Enter 981 factory reset. Redo pairing steps again. Step 3 is reset TV box. Unplug power for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Try remote again. Step 4 is remote works but volume power doesn't. Remote is only paired to cable box. Rerun TV setup TV, then enable HDMI CEC on TV if needed. Step 5 is still not working. Remove obstacle between remote and box. Check IR sensor or TV box. Test remote LED when pressing button. Replace remote if no LED at all. Thank you.